Good morning, students. Today we are starting with the next type of problems. In the previous class we had studied about the standardized death rate regarding the 10 marks, where it was one of the other population, standard population was given it separately. But in today's class we will be learning about the problems where one of the population itself will be taken as standard population. So here compute standardized death rate for two towns A and B by taking town A as the standard population. So town A population itself we have to take it as standard population. So if you see about the previous class problems, then standard population was given it separately. So here one of the given population is taken as standard population. There are two methods of doing this problem. I will be doing both the methods. For the first method, it is similar to what we have learnt in the previous class. So for that we have to calculate ASDR. So ASDR formula is DT divided by PT into 1000. When you calculate ASDR for the age group 0 to 9, and regarding A population, so regarding the town A, it will be 1020 divided by 30,000 into 1000. So this answer 0 zeros you can cancel. So we'll get 102 divided by 3, which will be 34. Similarly, ASDR for town B for the same age group 0 to 9, it is 160 divided by 8000 into 1000. So again 1000 and 1000 you can cancel. 160 divided by 8 is 20. So we have to make the column A and B. So first column A, then next column B. For the first column, first value is 34, and for the second population B, it is 20. Now we will be calculating for the next age group. So for the next age group, it is 230 divided by 23,000 into 1000. So we will get 10. Then 99 divided by 33,000 into 1000. It is 3. Then 570 divided by 20,000 into 1000. So you can cancel the zeros, the 0 and 0. So we'll get 57 divided by 2. So 57 divided by 2 is 28.5. Next 160 divided by 16,000, it is 10. So this is regarding the ASDR for town A. Similarly for town B, so first value I have written it already, it is 20 because we have calculated here. Next value 60 divided by 6000 into 1000, it is 10. Next 20 divided by 10,000 into 1000, it's 2. Then 100 divided by 10,000 into 1000, 10. And the last value 240 divided by 8000 into 1000, 30. Then in the question it is specified taking town A as standard population. So when we are writing the P value, so population of town A will take that as P. So it is 30,000, 23,000, 33,000, 20,000, 16,000. Then find out PA. So you have to multiply P and A values. Multiply P and A values. So 34 into 3, it is 102. And then 4 zeros. Then 10 into 23,000 will get 2 lakh, 30,000. Then 3 into 33,000, it is 99,000. Then 28.5 into 20,000, 5,70,000, and 10 into 16,000, 1,60,000. Similarly, we'll be finding out about PB. So multiply 20 into 30,000, then next one 10 into 23,000, it is 2,30,000. Then 2 into 33,000, it is 66,000. Then 10 into 20,000, 2 lakh. Last 30 into 16,000, 4,80,000. You have to do the total of P, then PA and PB. So add all the three values. So P will be 30,000 plus 23,000 plus 33,000 plus 20,000 plus 16,000. It is 1,22,000. Next, if you add this value, you will get 2079 and 3 zeros. And PB is 1576 and 3 zeros. Now use the formula of STDR. So STDR of A is sigma PA divided by sigma P. So what is sigma PA? It is 2079 and 3 zeros divided by 1,22,000. So you can cancel the zero terms. So you will get 2079 divided by 122, which is 17.04. Similarly, STDR of B, it is sigma PB divided by sigma P. So sigma PB is 1576 and 3 zeros divided by 122 and 3 zeros. 0 zeros you can cancel. So it is 1576 divided by 122, which is 12.92. So if you compare the answers, about town A it is 17.04 and town B it is 12.92. Which is lesser? Town B is lesser. So it is STDR of B less than STDR of A. Therefore, town B is more healthier when compared to town A. So whichever population is standardized death rate of which population is lesser, that particular population is healthier. So here town B is healthier. So this is regarding the first method. For doing the second method, so first see which population is given as standard population. So in this town A population is given as standard population. So whichever population is given as standard, that particular population standardized death rate and the crude death rate will be same. So since town A population is given as standard, STDR of A will be equal to CDR of A. So CDR, crude death rate and standardized death rate of that particular population will be same. So you need not calculate standardized death rate for that. So you can check here in the PA values. How do you calculate PA? It is, so if you take about the first problem, so first population, so P value is 30,000 into A value we calculated by 1020 into 30,000 into 1000. So when you write that, it is 1020 divided by 30,000 into 1000. So here 30,000 and 30,000 will get cancelled. What is this 1020? It is the death value. So we are calculating CDR. If you calculate CDR, it is enough. You need not calculate standardized death rate for that, because standardized death rate and the crude death rate of the population will be same whenever the given population is standard. So here we'll be calculating only the CDR and not the STDR. So CDR, what is the CDR of formula? It is D divided by P into 1000, and D value is, so the death of the population town A you have to add. So when you add that, you will get 2079. So you have to add 1020 plus 230 plus 99 plus 570 plus 160. So we'll get it as 2079, and when you add the population, we'll get 1,22,000. So if you check about the standardized death rate of town A, that was the same thing. We had got 2079 itself. The extra part was the thousands. But here in the CDR formula, we have 1000. So both the answers are same. So you can calculate this. Your time will be saved. So we'll get it as 17.04. So only CDR will calculate for which population is standard. The other thing, it is similar to the previous method. ASDR formula we have to write DT divided by PT into 1000. So for town B, you will be calculating standardized death rate as we have done it here. That is, calculate B value, then calculate PB. Use the formula STDR of B equals sigma PB divided by sigma P. Only for A, since that population was given as standard, we are doing the CDR. So either you can use this method or use this method. If you use this method, your time will be saved. Within 1 minute you can finish this. That takes time. So here we have to calculate B, then P is given in the question, then PB. So all the values are here, so I'll be not writing it once again. So what was PB value? It is 1576 and 0 zeros. So you can write down from seeing that side. So it is 157600. So after that, STDR of B. Again, this one you'll write it here. So it is 1576000 divided by 1,22,000. We'll get it as 12.92. Then for writing the conclusion, it is similar to the previous one where we have written town B is more healthier, because town B population standardized death rate is lesser. Okay, now we are doing with the next problem where one of the given population is taken as standard population. So you can see the question, compute standardized death rate for the two towns A and B by taking town B. So in this we are taking the town B population as the standard population. So here I'll be doing regarding the second method. So for the second method, since town B we are taking as standard population, for town A we have to do it in the same manner, the standardized death rate as the previous methods. So ASDR formula is DT divided by PT into 1000. So since ASDR will be finding out only for the town A, so I'll write it here. So 45 divided by 3000 into 1000. So you can cancel this 1000 and 1000. Then 45 divided by 3, it is 15. So make the column as A, and that first value is 15. The next 48 divided by 8,000 into 1000, it is 6. Then 42 divided by 7,000 into 1000, again it is 6. 110 divided by 5,000 into 1000, it is 22. Then we need the standard population P value. So population is 4,000. So we are taking the town B population as the standard population. So 4,000, 10,000, 10,000 and 6,000. Do the total of this population. So 4,000 plus 10,000, it is 14,000, plus 10,000, 24,000, plus 6,000, 30,000. Then find out PA. 15 into 4,000, it is 60,000. 6 into 10,000, again 60,000. 6 into 10,000, 60,000. 22 into 6,000, it is 1,32,000. Then do the total of this. So 6 plus 6, 12, plus 6, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, so 2 carry up, 2 plus 1, it is 3. So 3,12,000. So what is standardized death rate formula? STDR of A is sigma PA divided by sigma P. So it is 3,12,000 divided by 30,000. So you can cancel the 0 terms. It is 10.4. Then CDR we have to calculate for the town B. So we'll mention it as, since town B population is taken as standard, so CDR of B will be same as STDR of B. So CDR formula, it is D divided by P into 1,000. So you have to add the death and population about the town B. So population we have already added, it is 30,000. Now add the town B death. So you can add here 0, 0, 0 and 8, it is 8. Then 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 1 carry up, so 1 plus 1, 2. So it is 278 divided by 30,000 into 1,000. So again 0 and 0, so you can cancel. So we'll get it as 278 divided by 30. So it will be 9.2. So first one we got it as 10.4. Second one 9.2. So which is lesser? B is lesser. So STDR of B less than STDR of A. Therefore, town B is more healthier. So this was regarding the second method. So this method is easier, but if you get confused, you can do with the first method itself. So what is the STDR value? 9.2 and 10.4. We'll check. So I'll write down here. For A we got it as 10.4 and for B we'll get it as 9.2. So we'll check for B whether we'll get 9.2 itself by using the first method of the problem. So for that we need to calculate the B value, so that is ASDR. So ASDR for town B it is 40 divided by 4,000 into 1,000. So 1,000 and 1,000 you can cancel. 40 divided by 4 is 10. Next one 60 divided by 10,000 into 1,000. It is 6. Next 70 divided by 10,000 into 1,000. 7. And the last one 108 divided by 6,000 into 1,000. It is 18. Now what is P value? It is 4,000, 10,000, 10,000, 6,000. Now multiply P and B. So when you multiply P and B, for the first one 10 into 4,000, so it will be 40,000. Then 6 into 10,000, 60,000. 7 into 10,000, 70,000. 18 into 6, 1,08,000. So we have got the same death values. If you check, only into 1,000 is extra. So here we have got 40, 60, 70 and 108. Here the same numbers. So if you remove this 1,000 values, so it is the same 40, 60, 70 and 108. So what we have done is correct. So you can add this 30,000 and add the PB values. So it is 2,78,000 divided by 30,000. So STDR of B is sigma PB divided by sigma P. So sigma PB is 2,78,000 divided by 30,000. It is only 2,78,000 divided by 30,000. Cancel this zeros. So it is 278 divided by 30, which is 9.2. So then you have to compare it. So here it is 10.4 and 9.2. So 9.2 is lesser. So STDR of B less than STDR of A. Therefore, town B is more healthier when compared to town A. So this will be extra. So much you have to calculate. Either calculate it like this standardized death rate, which is similar to the previous methods. Otherwise, you can calculate only the CDR and show that both CDR and STDR. If you are doing the CDR, you have to just mention that one line which I had mentioned it earlier. Since standard population, which population is taken as standard? So in this town B, since town B population is taken as standard, CDR of B is same as that of STDR of B. So if you doesn't write that, it will be wrong. So they'll cut the marks. They'll cut 2 marks for that. So mention that line and then do the problem. Otherwise, do it similar to the previous methods. In the previous classes, how we have done it, finding out ASDR, then multiplying with the standard population total and then divide it. Okay, this is the next problem about the standardized death rate. So here I have included both the topics, that is crude death rate and standardized death rate, and separately they have not mentioned which it should be taken as standard population. In the table itself it is given city B, we have to take it as standard population. Since we are doing it CDR, I won't be finding out ASDR for the town B. So I will be finding out only the CDR, so it is easier. So since we have to first calculate CDR, crude death rate, we need the total of the population and death both regarding the city A and city B. So do the total. For the first population, it is 5,000 plus 14,000 plus 20,000 plus 1,000. So when you add, you will get it as 40,000. Then add this death values, 100 plus 392 plus 300 plus 200. So it is 992. Similarly, city B population we have to add 7,000 plus 15,000 plus 25,000 plus 3,000. It is 50,000. Then death value, it is 105 plus 465 plus 500 plus 390, which is 1,460. Then find out CDR. CDR formula is D divided by P into 1,000. So you have to calculate separately for town A and for town B. So CDR of A is 992 divided by 40,000 into 1,000. So you can cancel the 1000 and 1000 terms. So 992 divided by 40, which is 24.8. Similarly, CDR of B, 1460 divided by 50,000 into 1000. So you can cancel the 0 terms. So we'll be remaining with 146 divided by 5, which is 29.2. So CDR of A is 24.8, CDR of B is 29.2, and we'll be not writing any conclusion regarding the CDR. We'll be writing the conclusion only for the standardized death rate. So ASDR formula we have to mention, since we'll be calculating the ASDR value. So it is DT divided by PT into 1000, and one step calculation we have to show it. So we'll be doing it ASDR for only for the age, population A, that is city A. So ASDR for city A is 100 divided by 5000. This is regarding the first age group, that is 0 to 20. So you can cancel the thousands. We'll be remaining with 100 divided by 5, which is 20. So make the column ASDR equals A and mention that. So here itself I am making that column. So ASDR of A, first value is 20. Then write about the next value, 392 divided by 14,000 into 1000, which is 28. The next 300 divided by 20,000 into 1000, 15. And the last one, 200 divided by 1000 into 1000. So 1000 and 1000 will get cancelled. We'll be remaining with 200. So here itself we have the population. So this value is P. So I'll multiply it directly. PA. So PA is 7000 into 20. So it is 14 and 4 zeros. Then 15,000 into 28. It is 420 and then 3 zeros. Then 25,000 into 15, 375. So 25 into 15 is 375 and 3 zeros. 3,000 into 200. So multiply the numbers. So 3 into 2 is 6. Then we have got 5 zeros. Mention those 5 zeros. Do the total of the. So we'll get 1535 and 3 zeros. Next we have to calculate standardized death rate of A. It is sigma PA divided by sigma P, which is 1535 and 3 zeros, divided by P total is 50,000. So you can cancel the 0 terms. We'll have 1535 divided by 50, which is 30.7. So standardized death rate of A is 30.7, and since standard population is about town B, so CDR and STDR of town B will be same. Since city B, so it is mentioned it as city B, so take that itself. Since city B is taken as standard population, STDR of B equals CDR of B, which is equal to, so we have done here CDR of B is 29.2. So STDR of B will be 29.2 and STDR of A is 30.7. So compare the answers. So B is lesser. So STDR of B less than STDR of A. Therefore, city B is more healthier. So here I have done it for city B directly. Since I have done it crude death rate, I have taken it directly the same value. I have not found out the age specific death rate. Without that, only by taking the CDR value, I have written the standardized death rate for the city B, because that population is taken as standard population. Okay students, take this problem as an assignment. So it is similar to the previous problem. In this you will be doing it both the methods, calculate crude death rate and standardized death rate. And here locality A population should be taken as standard population. In this problem you will get decimal numbers when you are doing the ASDR values. So after decimal take only 2 numbers, don't take more than 2 numbers. And there will be some variation in the point numbers. When you are doing it, you might not get the same numbers as I said when we are doing the PA values, 140, 50, 80 and 150 here you are getting. But since we will be getting the decimal numbers, you won't get this exact number. Even then the answer will be same, don't worry about that. So if there is any point variation also, no problem. So you have to get the answer for this locality A as 11.66 and for locality B as 13.59. Just check whether you get that answer. I hope you are doing all the assignment problems. So I am giving you the assignment problem for the topics which are more important from your exam point of view. So do all the assignment problems. Thank you.